Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the normal Kraken. First, you need to understand where and when the Kraken appears in the game world. Next, ensure your character is well equipped with the right weapons and armor for the encounter. Finally, consider gathering a team of 2 or 3 other players, as some Kraken encounters are designed for groups. Once you've located the Kraken, carefully approach its area to begin the fight. During the battle, concentrate your attacks on any glowing or highlighted weak spots to deal significant damage. Remember to constantly move and use defensive maneuvers to avoid its devastating abilities, which can quickly deplete your health bar. Keep up the pressure, consistently hitting the Kraken until its health bar is completely depleted and it falls. After its defeat, make sure to gather all the valuable items and resources it drops, as these are often rare and powerful. If you were on a specific quest, remember to report back to the quest giver to claim your final rewards. To truly master the Kraken fight, practice is key. Learning its attack patterns will make future encounters much easier. Don't forget to use any available potions or temporary buffs to boost your stats during the battle. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.